I will say I have been very frustrated with my locks. And what is causing my frustration? Things like this. Things like this are causing my lock frustration. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, I'm Shama from Happy Living Now, where we take on a holistic approach to helping you design a life that you love. And that means everything: lifestyle, hair care, money, DIYs, and much more. So if these are things you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Yes, it is free 99. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and hit that notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. So in today's video, I am actually going to share with you my 10-month lock update. Yes, I am actually 10 months locked right now. It is May at this point of recording this video, and I just hit my 10th-month mark last week. So I am so happy about that. Actually, I think I hit my 10-month anniversary on my mom's birthday, which was last Sunday. So I am so happy about that. I have 2 more months left to hit my 1-year mark, and so I figured I would bring you guys another lock update video. So that's what today's video is about. So as you can see, my hair is pretty full. It's coming along nicely. It's growing. I'm really enjoying my lock journey. There's not too much that's going on with my hair. It's much fuller than when I first started 10 months ago. It's much longer than when I first started 10 months ago. So I'm really enjoying the lock journey. I am enjoying how I am getting to be patient with my lock journey, because I think my first set of microlocs, I actually a couple months in did lock extensions on the ends of my hair. Because I think my hair was kind of short back then too. So I did a couple months into my lock journey, on my first microloc journey, put in lock extensions on the ends of my hair to just add a little bit of length. This time around though, I am actually not doing any of that. This is all my hair. I started very short. If you did not see the first set of videos in my microloc installation series, be sure to check those out. I will definitely link those for you to check them out. But I started with very short hair. I had a very low undercut as well because of breakage that I was experiencing. So I did start with an undercut, and this is all mine. And 10 months later, it's grown in, it's full, it's getting long, it's bouncy, and I am really loving it. My low cut is actually growing in too. It's grown in pretty long. Let me see if I can turn around to give you just what the back looks like. I don't know if you can see that. But that's what my undercut is looking like right now. I can actually do a 2-strand flat twist on the back of my head, and I take off those twists every week, moisturize and redo them. So the hair is growing in nicely in the low cut as well, and my hopes is that at least maybe within the next month or so that I'll be able to install my new locks back there. So be sure to stay tuned for that video, because it is going to be coming soon. If not in the next month, at least maybe when I hit my 1-year mark, I'm hoping that I'll be able to install the new set of locks back here. And I am out of breath, and I don't know why. So I think maybe one of the reasons why the hair back in the undercut area is been growing back nicely as well is I have been using rice water on my hair. Now I have been using it as a rice water rinse. So every time I wash my hair, every 2 weeks, I do spritz my hair with rice water. I let it sit on my hair after I've rinsed out my shampoo. I let it sit on my hair pretty much in place of a condition. So when you would use your conditioner on your hair, that's when I use my rice water. After I've shampooed my hair and rinsed out the shampoo, I spritz my hair with rice water, let it sit while I go ahead and finish up my shower, and then I rinse it off with lukewarm water to cold water. As cold as I can stand it, I rinse it off with lukewarm to cold water, and I've been doing that every 2 weeks. So I think that's probably why the undercut hair has been growing in pretty nicely. But I will say that I have high porosity here, and so I think though the rice water, it's a lot of protein, and I think doing that every 2 weeks may be a little bit drying for my hair, because my hair has felt a little bit dry recently. I've always had dry hair, but I think doing the rice water treatment every 2 weeks has contributed to a little more dryness on my hair. So I think I'm gonna, you know, take it down a notch on use of rice water. Maybe use it once a month on my hair instead of once every 2 weeks when I wash my hair. And side note, if you don't know what high porosity hair is, or you would just like a video or general information as far as porosity of hair is concerned and understanding your hair porosity, drop a comment down below as well. Let me know, so I will definitely go ahead and make that video for you on how to determine your hair porosity. So if you're interested in that information, definitely go ahead and drop a comment down below as well. So if you've reached this point of this video, I hope you're enjoying the content of this video so far. If you are, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit the like button below. If you haven't yet already, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. It is free 99 to subscribe, so definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell as well. All right, so let's continue on with the content of this video. So again, as I was saying, I think use of the rice water every 2 weeks on my hair has been causing a little bit more dryness to my hair because I do have high porosity hair. So I think I'm gonna take it down a notch, and instead of using the rice water every 2 weeks, I'm gonna probably use it once every month. But I will say I think use of the rice water has definitely helped the undercut hair grow back, or the hair in the undercut area grow back a little bit quicker. But yeah, I think my hair is growing in nicely. As you can see, I do have some new growth. I retwisted my hair 3 weeks ago, and quite honestly, I am pretty much due for a retie in certain parts of my hair. Now, I will say certain parts of my hair do grow quicker than other parts, but for the most part over my hair, there are some places that could do at least one full rotation for a retightening. So it is growing, and I am loving it. Now, although I have been enjoying my LOC journey, y'all, I will say I have been very, very frustrated with my locks. And what is causing my frustration? Things like, let's see, this. Things like this are causing my LOC frustration. These are my major frustrations right now on my LOC journey. I have them quite a few places, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can see that, but right here, and I have a few of them all over my hair. Some of them have dropped while I wash my hair, some of them just drop off, and I have mindlessly pulled some of them off as well, you know, while playing in my hair. But oh my god, they can be so annoying. I'm trying to see if I can find a few for you guys, and of course when I need them I can't find them. Let's see. So I don't know if this is the one I showed you guys, but that's one right here. See that? That's one. I know I have a few more. Oop. Yep, that's another one, right? So I do have a few of those on my hair, and they're driving me nuts. But other than that, I mean, hey, I think these are budding. That's the LOC's way of budding. And other than that, those are really my only frustration as far as my hair is concerned. Let's see what else. Oh, I did combine some more LOCs around the perimeters of my head. I know I recently talked about combining LOCs, and I did show you guys how I went ahead and combined a few of my LOCs. These set of LOCs that I recently combined, though, I did not go ahead and interlock the roots. I only 2-strand twisted them because I know I'm coming up on another retie due soon, and I didn't want to go ahead and interlock them. So I just 2-strand twisted them together to keep them together, so that when my next retie session comes, I know that these two are supposed to be combined at the roots. So let me see. I have these right here, and I don't know why. I feel like my camera is making me look ashy. I'm gonna have to clean you guys a bit. Hold on. Okay, I think that might be much better. But these are some of the ones that I've twisted. So I have 2-strand twisted these around the front perimeter of my head. So as you can see, they're a little bigger than the rest of my hair. So yeah, I did 2-strand twist these ones. And the reason I did that is because the perimeter of my head, the texture and thickness of my hair around the perimeters of my hair are way different than in the center of my head. So in the center areas of my head, my hair is very thick, it's coarse, it's very coily. But for some reason around the perimeters of my head, the hair is very fine, it's thin, and it's not as coarse, it's not as coily. So because of that, I was concerned that I was gonna have a little bit of thinning because of the size of the locks. So I just went ahead and combined them so that I don't have to worry about it moving forward. So I did go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's what's been going on with my hair right now. Again, like I said, I'm hoping within the next month or so, or at least by my 1-year lock anniversary, I will be able to install the new locks back there. So be sure to be on the lookout for that. I am in the process of putting together a lock Q&A video. So if you have any questions that you would want answered, definitely go ahead and leave those questions down in the comment section below as well. I have gotten a couple questions on some other videos of mine, so what I'm doing, I'm going through the questions and combining those and putting those together for a lock Q&A. So if you have any questions that you want answered and they've not been answered yet, go ahead and drop those questions down in the comment section below. Let me know and I will definitely put those together with my other questions for my lock Q&A. So that's my 10-month lock anniversary lock update. Again, I am enjoying the journey and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well on my lock update. If you have any video requests, comments, or questions, definitely drop them down in the comment section below. I look forward to seeing what other content you would like to see on this channel. I do have some upcoming DIY videos and budget home decor videos coming your way. So if these are things you're interested in, definitely be on the lookout for those. And if you are interested in those type of content but you've not yet subscribed, again, it is free to do so. So hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and I will see you guys next time.